Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change screen timeout on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, a shorter screen timeout reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your device if you leave it unattended. It ensures that the screen locks promptly, requiring authentication to access again. Not only that, being able to adjust the screen timeout allows you to customize your device behavior to your preferences. You can choose a timeout that suits your usage pattern and the way you interact with your device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Settings app on your device. Well, so here find out Display menu and tap on it. Okay, so on this page, scroll down please and select this option, Screen Timeout. Well, and here you will find many options and tap on the option to apply it on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change screen timeout on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.